Have you ever noticed your plant's leaves suddenly developing tiny brown spots or a strange white coating appearing overnight? In nature, trouble often begins silently, long before we realize our plants need help. Hidden fungi and harmful bacteria can spread through the soil, the air, or even a splash of water. Powdery mildew, rust, gray mold, root rot, and leaf spot can slowly weaken even healthy-looking plants. But today, nature offers a simple protector: ginger powder. This warming spice is more than a cooking ingredient. Ginger contains natural compounds like gingerol and shogol with antifungal and antibacterial properties. It also provides small amounts of potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus that help support healthier plant growth and stronger natural defenses. Here's how to use it. During transplanting, mix 1 teaspoon of ginger powder into 1 liter of potting soil to help keep the root zone cleaner. For regular prevention, dissolve 1 teaspoon of ginger powder in 1 liter of warm water. Stir well, strain, and spray gently over the leaves. If your plant is already showing signs of disease, mix 2 teaspoons of ginger powder into 1 liter of warm water. Add 100 milliliters of milk to help the solution stick to the leaves. Stir well, strain, and spray all affected areas. Repeat every 2 weeks or once a month after the plant begins recovering. Let nature help your plant stay healthy, vibrant, and full of life. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!